highest number of deaths in a day.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about the digital campaign launched by TYC, Tibetan Youth Congress. To take part in this campaign, all we need to do is use social media and share a picture or a video with the hashtag Make China Accountable 2020. And here me and my friends are taking part in this digital campaign, and I request everyone, especially Tibetans, to take part in this campaign and make this campaign a successful one. China was never transparent, and once again China proved it by not sharing a proper information regarding the outbreak of Wuhan virus, which led to the death of so many people. So here I raise my voice against China and demand China to take responsible of whatever damage it caused throughout the world.
My name is Jana Moo, and as I participate in this online digital campaign initiated by Tibetan Youth Congress, I think it is nothing new to learn that the Chinese Communist Party is lying, as it has lied multiple times. But the lies keep on mounting. Whether it is the illegal invasion of Tibet, East Turkestan, or Inner Mongolia, or massive human rights violation of ethnic and religious minority groups, or imposing a new security law on Hong Kong, and needless to say, the failure of CCP in containing the pandemic and not being transparent with the world, which led to the current situation. So let us all contribute our voices to stand against China by partaking in this recent online digital campaign by Tibetan Youth Congress. You can hashtag Held China Accountable 2020. Your voice matters, and our every little actions will matter, no matter how small. Thank you.
My name is Darren, and today I'm taking part in this digital campaign launched by Tibetan Youth Congress, and this campaign is actually to make sure that China held accountable of what they have been doing till now, and especially when it comes to corona pandemic. I think many of the countries blaming China solely because China has not shared any information regarding the first outbreak of coronavirus in China. And being a Tibetan, I think this is a great opportunity for all of us to make sure that whatever China has been doing to all the ethnic and religious minority groups within the mainland, I think we should definitely use this opportunity to make sure that China is responsible for what they have been doing. And yeah, I think every Tibetan must take part in this campaign, and it's a very great initiative by Tibetan Youth Congress. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Pema. I'm here to support TYC, Tibetan Youth Congress online digital campaign to make China accountable, which is under hashtag Make China Accountable 2020.
Everyone, I'm Tinzi Pandey, and today I'm participating in this global effort initiated and led by the TYC Centrex along with their regional chapters to make China accountable under the hashtag Make China Accountable 2020, for the sole reason that when Wuhan was hit with the virus, they didn't give any information to WHO about the newfound coronavirus. And apart from that, China didn't took any precautions needed and kept itself open for the whole world. fueling the spread and leading to a global pandemic. And on top of that, not giving a clear information on the epidemic and on what is happening is an act of pushing the world towards the epidemic or the pandemic intentionally. China's hideous ways of concealing the truth and concealing the epidemic has been very clear to all of us, because when China was asked about it, they clearly responded that everything was under control, but in reality it was different. So China could have apprised the world. China could have stopped the spread. China could have saved lives. China is and will be held accountable.
Hello everyone, my name is Denim. I currently study in University of Madras. So I'm here to support the Regional Tibetan Youth Congress digital campaign under the hashtag Make China Accountable 2020. So I want to request all of you guys to take part in this and make this global effort a successful one. Thank you. Very yellow.